you know. People, a true thing in a lie. I tell you, the only thing I could make this here easy is a sewage trap. Look over here. Pumping sewage. In the top. Look. It is damn real, people. Nothing changed. The road remains the same. Nothing changed. You're fee in there. Nothing changed, people. A truth is not a lie. Run ahead. Sewage. Clearly. And it smells stinking raw, so never work good a day in life. They always make it work. It is not alleged. I tell them to go and send a sewage trap. Where never work good a day in life. Call me a Morley, go back there that. Never get all me a Morley going through there. Sanshire Brochure, going through the hours. Pure sewage. You know Chris Gibbs in there? Cause all these garden slaves allowing all this pollution. Pour your mouth. 5-minute video ain't here too long. Non-stop sewage. Follow the line. Straight down there. Call out these garden slaves. Mark put in this track here blocking the vision of the road. See people? Blocks the vision of the road. Don't go rich, a slave. Danger Trotman, a slave. Yeah, King David in there. Rest in peace, bro. I beat in and now. Straight up on the Bradley. Infantry for the vehicle. Here's the start. First sewage, people. I tell them to go up and sewage, try to fix that. Look what is here. Yeah, my brother. Yo, white behave. Go, people. Somebody want to move. Anyhow, we can still chat while you move my Bradley. Yeah. Sure, man. Sit down. Yeah, Rasta woman. Morning. Right. Garden slaves. Don't go rich. Danger Trotman. That idiot, my father. Jonathan Denzel Trotman. Slave TBLP. Right to Chris Gibbs meeting about this bullshit. Park anywhere in the neighborhood. Right. Who else they calling? Maxine Carrington. Roger Honda Proverbs. All slaves they can out calling out. Honda come and kick the sand and stone down there below Burgess. They put behind my pale in there. No problem. You see I can kick it down. Come and kick it down. Honda Proverbs. They ain't gonna try to defend your own family that dying. Sewage get all out the garden. Only way that system can work proper in 10 years. Got to burn sewage trap. Damn idiots. Pollution non-stop. Don't forget. 2 different cameramen here. This first one I came at me, my name, know it for years. Lit paint there. I come to my house and tell you about it. Never starting none of them. For cutting, sewing, burning, painting, never do it. Can't do it. I got the authority to do it. But you got the authority to put the pine that work killing me neighborhood and me. Right. First man to see, next man is jibber that I highlight. He gonna quack, so I got highlight no more. You let the idiot come out there and do that. No, yeah, you see me that van coming out that way, move my van. But I'm going the other side. Back to them slaves. Christopher Gibbs, Corey Lane, the whole of the damn BLP party. All in this shit. All in get this track here. Positively speaking. Say, go on my yellow. Yeah. My phone go on the check, boy. Lick piece out of it. People piece leg out of it. Say, go on my phone yellow, people. K Kings. First of his name. Eternal fires of pain. Pure shit in the yarn. And today is Sunday. A day that you get all a lot of water, washing and all kind of thing. You know what I'm saying? So by Tuesday, that gonna leak again. You know what I'm saying? By Tuesday, that gonna leak. That's last a beer day. By Tuesday, that gonna be leaking. Today is Sunday. Me and Molly, you fail. Sending us so he's tracking the help now. That help now. Do what you're doing, that you can steal more money. Let it run and go down by the globe into the sea. When they ain't gonna pay so it's trapped. Do the usual one that they're doing for years. When they send us so it's trapped now. It's that 10 months to send us so it's trapped now, leak for 4 or 5 months. Stinking sewage. Go, people. 6 minutes is enough. Who else I gonna call out? I gonna go in my first lawyer office. If they don't give me my $16 or $50 for my day sheet, I point up on the network. Then rest of idiot lawyers. Ricardo Harrison, Barbie's a lawyer. I come in for my $1,000. I walk in at left 7. Cause you gave me a receipt for $1,000, but want me collect 7. Ricardo Harrison. That ain't that no government. If you don't pay me upon your government, or you upon the network. I don't care which government it is. You understand Ricardo Harrison? Barbie's a lawyer. The man that came in court and put forward a case for himself to loss. And the judge paint you. Then turn around, paying the idiot and tell you wrong when you gonna start. You remember? $1,130 going on the drain on that. Are you allowing you to keep that? But the $1,000 they turn around you to put the man in court. They walk me at level 7. I coming back for that. Ricardo Harrison, Barbie's a lawyer. Jackass. Who that one name? Bayer. P. Bayer. Richard P. Bayer. Rendezvous Ridge. Christchurch, whatever. Don't let me go for the document. You jackass. Why you call my phone a couple of days? I told bring my money. Don't call my phone. Don't call it. Bring my raw money. You damn thief. Richard Bayer. We, the people say, start killing us. Idiots. Barbados Labour Party. Bad lawless people. See, BLP. Bad lawless people. Damn idiot. Dwight Sutherland. He gonna be burned to ash over my lava lake. So he gonna eat on his dungeons so long. I hear you whining and grinding. He must be turned to ash. I can send some more check by E. See if he still bout there. If he turn to ash over my lava lake and my social media dungeons. Eternal fires of pain. Dwight Sutherland, you damn idiot. We go up on the next one. Body. Look at the day again, people, these serial killers. Environmental Protection Department and the Barbados Labour Party, they will kill you. The dump killing we. Pollution in Pavilion Road, Downey Avenue, Braffett Road, Mears Road, Skeet Road, Garland, all that roads strongly affected. All 4 roads going around Empire Pass, near Pavilion Road, all 4. Pollution in all 4 in Empire Pass, Empire Club, Empire Pavilion. Now, thanks to the people from Empire Club that signed the petition when the petition was out there. It makes the president now look like a jackass. I'm gonna say who signed it. No, Aibo, you should never be a president of Empire. I don't know how you get there. Aibo, jackass. People from Empire at least take the time to sign the petition. You take the time to do Aibo. Not going on about all dying jackasses. Go around here. They will kill you. Who? Ball all these people, the Barbados Labour Party, they will kill you. Idiots. Ball all these people like Chris Gibbs, another slave to himself. My father get money from he for going to that meeting that had about pollution. Can't bear yes people, he can't Junior Grant, he can't Denzel Trotman, Johnny, my father, he can't Maxine Carrington, can't the idiot. And none of them people in Stammer say, where is a victim? You know they're gonna call my name, they're gonna call my name, but the meaning me. And any other victim out there. Barbados Labour Party, evil. Lawless people. Huh? Stupid people. Look what they're going to say. They have no choice. I tell them that what's going to happen. Look what's happening. A damn sewage trying to pull it off. Done going along down the sea. And it going to leak today Sunday. It going to leak all there by Tuesday. We the people say start killing us, Barbados Labour Party. Stop it now. Damn idiots. That mean Pat when around skate bikes. Y'all leaving. Too much distraction alone in the garden by all. I'm going to go further. Enough to destroy one of Garland Park and clean. Where's the money? Chris Gibbs run and go with the people money. Where is the money for the park? We ain't clean for near 5 years. Which means the money gonna be there for an account that somebody can take the money and clean the park. Where is the money, Barbados Labour Party? Damn jackasses. No. Fight by me. Yeah, respect. The Barbados Labour Party went and borrow money from Canada. Went and borrow money from the United States. Went and borrow money from the World Bank. Come now in Caribbean and borrow from Jamaica and Ghana. Still, sewage can't get fixed. So what are you hearing talk now? That me and Molly want to get money from Haiti. If it's one country you can't go for money from is Haiti. Yet we knock it on Haiti door. Well. Haiti, sorry about that. My apologies for this idiot. Second in charge of the BLP. That guy, Prime Minister Mia Mortley, second in charge of the BLP, Prime Minister of Barbados, but second in charge. We don't know who leading the BLP. Putin's cousin. Putin. Vladimir Putin. All of those Russians, but he. Cecil King, Steve King, get in there. Who else I forgetting? Anybody that says no to fresh air and proper cleanliness coming to the urinal by all, when I have on the own way, go with God and be with yourself tomorrow. You don't care. You understand? But go with God and be with yourself tomorrow. And that's all the slaves they call and whoever else. That's what they do. No fresh air, no shut up. I can't feel it cursing because I paint it on the left, right, or center. Right. Percolas, Junior Grant, Damas. That get put on the news. Telling the girl she got to give a little back to get work, you know? You don't make work, boy. But yeah, you out there telling people you're going to run over me. You tell me so myself. Junior Grant, BLP, public relations officer fraud / drug dealer, pimp, must be former brother, For sure, farmer do it smoker. Must smoking do it all now. Cause he can't get around with 400 pounds, but he weigh 120 now. All of a sudden, he weigh 120. Pure cocaine. Anyhow, he's a drug dealing slave. All of them. Who I call Maxine carrying on the Proverbs? Who else I call? There's so much I can't get all the call, man. Done been there. Town and Country Planning. Write 2 letters, the Environmental Protection Department. One write by me, the other one write by a lawyer. Yet we still living in air pollution. Where is the environmental public disgrace? Oh, sanitation started to burn, so they ran up there by dump or in point. Oh, Mockberry Bay burn. You spray a place, then bomb up there. Julian burn, EPD pan site. You know what I'm saying? The wharf burn, the port burn, EPD pan site. Yet, the same air pollution at the time if I need help, write a letter. Write to Damas bullshit people feel they can give me the butter. Now they give themselves the butter. Environmental EPD. Public disgrace. Up there by the garrison. By St. Road up by the garrison. Big flag. You know I like to say that Barbados flag is meaning nice, meaning strong, big and ignorant. That's what my ignorant mean. Big and beautiful. A big 4-foot flag. When I walking past every day to go in that building. From the time when I get in the building, when I forget when I walk past that flag. Forget what I sign for. Leandra Chapman. If you want your name on the internet, give me a boss man name. Let me call it. From you, it going up, but you're birth, you get to keep your job. You is the, let's call it Trojan horse for them. You and whoever else in your position at you. That's why they're moving you out the spotlight. Trojan horse, but don't think that you get to keep your job. You only got a little ass, Leandra Chapman. You know what I'm saying? You only got a little ass. That's all you got to do. Because they at the top, and at you. Bosses over you from supervisor going out want firing immediately. King down with that. Point out about 4 videos one time, back to back. Behold the king, first of his name. Eternal fires a pin in my social media dungeons. The truth is never a lie. I'm gonna get that by Tuesday. King signing out. Sewage to kill. Pollution to kill. By all in Guyana are dying. 5 people are dying from it, living in air pollution. King signing out.